Hello everyone, I am M.jayananda from Vyasathat Engineering College IT department. So today, let us see what is Flask and how to create our first Flask app. So at start, what is Flask? Flask is a lightweight web framework for Python, and it's known for its simplicity and flexibility. So making it a great choice for beginners. So unlike the Tkinter we have discussed before, Flask should be installed separate explicitly in your computer. It will not uh, come with the Python implicitly, but we should install it. So what are the steps to make our first Flask app? So the first step is install Flask. And then the second step is importing it into our project. And then what do? We make an instance. As we are about to make an app, let's name that app instance. Yes, we are making an app instance of Flask app, and then we should define its root, like in which port or which IP it should be present or like that. And after that, we should make some functionality. In this, we'll just print some hello world or something and then run it with main function. So let us now implement all these steps practically in VS Code. I've created a file called sample.py beforehand. Make sure it not named as Flask. So now first let us try to install Flask. Pip install Flask. As it's already installed on my machine, it says requirement already satisfied. But for you, if you're not installed Flask, there'll be some packages loading over there, and after the download and installation, it will be success. Now, as I've already installed Flask, let us import it. From Flask, import Flask. Yeah, this Flask contains a capital letter and the bigger package does not contain it. Yes. So let us now check the steps. What to make? Yeah, install the Flask, check, importing it, yes, and create an app instance. App is equal to Flask and name. So this name here will be referred to the main function. We'll write it down. Then what should we do? After importing it and creating an app instance, check, define it a root. So if we made a function or something in this, what root or the what domain or what port it should be present, and that defines a root. And we can even add some methods which it should accept, like get method and post method even. But for the small app, I'm not going that complex. I'll just add this. And this backslash represent the home root. So it will refers to the main function there. This home root. I mean, in the sense, it will decide its own port. We are not defining it. So now let us write a function called hello world. Hello is enough. Then let us return the hello world. Now we have defined the function, defined the root and made some function and run it with the main function. So now if name.main app.run. But as we are developers and we have to know what the error is and we have to debug it, right? So let us now on debug mode equal to true. If it's a development server or if you want to deploy this app directly, then the debug mode should be false. If it is false by default, if we want it, we have to turn it true. As we are making it for testing, we'll make it true. And now save this file and try to run this. Yeah, it says here running on port here. If you observe it, it's a HTTP, not HTTPS. As it's on the debug mode and running on the local device and we didn't deploy it, it doesn't have any security. So it does not have that yes in the end of the HTTP. So let us now follow this link and see what happens. Yeah, it says hello world as we define it in the function. The app runs and it accesses the functions in it and run it one by one. And this function returns hello world and this prints it on the port. And that is a simple Flask application. See you all in the next video. Good night.